Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have an active Google account and a valid payment method. This prevents interruptions during checkout. Once done, choose whether to use a free trial or subscribe immediately because trials vary by country and promotions. Open the YouTube Music app or Music. YouTube, calm and sign in, make sure the app is updated. You're now ready to hit the upgrade flow, which detects eligibility and shows plan options. This first step puts everything in place so you'll next choose the plan that matches your needs, individual, family, or student, because pricing and sharing rules differ. After selecting, review the billing cycle and trial end date so you don't get surprised by charges. Apply any promo code now, since it usually must be entered at checkout. Make sure you understand device limits, offline download counts, and audio quality settings. These affect storage and streaming data. Once you confirm details, proceed to authorize payment and finalize the subscription. You finish by authorizing the payment and checking for a confirmation email. Then open YouTube Music settings to confirm the premium badge and features like offline downloads and background play are active. Test playback and try downloading a song to verify offline mode works. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, restart the app or device, and confirm your Google account country and payment method match YouTube Music's supported regions. These mismatches are the most common blocker and usually fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.